Hello and welcome to AD's tutorial on how to add properties to ABQSites. So after you have submitted all this information on this first page, you can go and click here on Save and go to Next Step. And there you see all the other categories where you can submit more information, as you can see here. We require you to add at least the zoning classification for your site. To do this, please click on the field Other and type in the zoning into the appropriate field. And the site zoning you can also be found on cabq.gov/gis/map-views/zoning. Here. So, and to enhance the property listing, AD is requiring you to add a minimum of 2 images per uploaded site. For this, you go here on the Photos tab, and you just choose your photos and add them to the site. You can also add documents, the leaflets to the page, to the listing, if available. And then for existing buildings, we require you to add at least 1 internal photo and 1 external photo, or alternatively a floor plan and 1 external photo. And for vacant land, we will need a property plat and an aerial shot of the site with property parameters or a sample building configuration. Then you can see there's also the contact and additional contact information. You will not have to fill out those information in these tabs, in these drop-down menus. The contact information for the account you have registered with will serve as the contact information for each of the listings, as well as AD's contact information, which will also be automatically displayed there. So please also note that any added properties will expire 6 months from the uploaded date if they have not been updated within that time period. So you can see when the expiration dates are for the different properties. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or technical issues, please reach out to the ABQSites team at zpeadmin@abq.org or at 505-705-3777.